Meaning of false memory.
False memory.
False memory.
False memory.
False memory. False memory refers to a phenomenon where an individual recalls something that did not actually happen or is different from the actual event. This can occur due to suggestions or leading questions, imagination, or external factors such as media exposure. False memories have been seen in a variety of scenarios, such as eyewitness testimony, traumatic events, and therapy sessions. The impact of false memories can range from minor distortions of events to significant negative consequences such as wrongful convictions or harm caused by recovered memories of abuse.